Great. So students, do we understand direct and indirect speech? Yes, we are all aware about this topic, direct and indirect speech. But I'm sure even though we are literally aware about this topic, there are still certain nitty-gritties that we are not aware of. ऐसे कुछ छोटी मोटी बातें होती हैं जो हमको शायद इस टॉपिक के बारे में नहीं पता होती हैं. So we will learn all of that in a very fun way today. So before I start with the lecture, I just want you to understand what basically is direct and indirect speech. So guys, here is a sentence that says, Nitin said, I am happy now. So tell me whether this sentence is direct speech or an indirect speech. This is direct speech, right? Okay, I'm getting so many messages. Direct speech, direct speech. Okay, give me one hint that helps you understand that a sentence is a direct speech sentence. Yes, it is the inverted commas, right? Okay. So here, guys, if you see the words of Nitin, okay, who is a speaker, are actually quoted directly with the inverted commas. So these inverted commas help you understand that this is direct speech. Now I show you another sentence that says Nitin said that he was happy then. What about this sentence? What about this sentence? What about this one? This is indirect speech. And now I am pretty sure why do you people say this? One, because it's obvious. Second, because maybe you look at the inverted commas and you don't see them. And also, there are many other things that actually help us understand whether a sentence is in the indirect speech or an indirect speech. So, before we start, there are certain concepts that we must know. There are certain terms that we should be aware of. So, the verb which is before the inverted comma is called as reporting verb. For example, Nitin said, I am happy now. So, which is the verb that you see which is outside the inverted commas? Kaun sa verb hai, everyone? Said. So, such a verb which is outside the inverted commas is said to be a reporting verb. Okay, it's said to be a reporting verb. The words which are inside the inverted commas are called reported speech. तो मतलब ये वाला जो पार्ट है ना स्टूडेंट्स, कौन सा वाला? ये वाला पार्ट. ओके, इसको बोलते हैं रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो बाहर का वर्ब, रिमेंबर बाहर का वर्ब इज कॉल्ड रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, अंदर का स्पीच इज कॉल्ड रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. Now I want you to observe these two sentences and tell me what are the changes that you can spot. You will raise your hands and give me one change each. Okay, no problem, Gatha. Raise your hands and I will ask you to unmute. So I have Sahil Gupta from DN Nagar. Hi, Sahil.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sahil. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am good, Sahil. Tell me, Sahil, give me one change that you see. Only
So,
one.
I turns to he.
I turns to we. So can I say there's a change in pronoun?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Sahil. Please mute yourself. Okay, I want to see someone from Vikroli. Come on, yeah, guys. Vikroli. Vikroli से कोई तो हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. Okay, I have Aishwarya. Hi, Aishwarya.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Aishwarya, tell me one change. I already have one change in pronoun. Give me another one.
Sir, inverted commas has removed.
Okay, inverted commas are removed. I think this is the most basic change. Thank you so much, Aishwarya. This is the
Welcome,
most
sir.
basic change. ये वाला तो मालूम होना ही चाहिए. Okay, change सब लोगों को. Okay, then let me see who else can answer. Please mute yourself, beta. Thank you. Now I go to Duncan from JB Nagar. Hi, Duncan.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Duncan. So I have two changes now. Give me one more.
The tense has changed. From I am happy now, it's gone to he was happy then.
So can I say the tense has changed from present to past?
Yes, sir.
And what if the tense in the direct speech is already in the past tense?
Then it remains the same.
No.
Instead of past, it goes to the previous day. Instead
No,
of
no, no, no. It's not about that. It's about if it is already in the past tense, it goes on to become past perfect. Okay, Duncan?
yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much for your answer. So students, I have 3 changes now. Tense बदलता है और कोई है क्या? So I have Anshika. Hi Anshika. Anshika, I have unmuted you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anshika, tell me बेटा. 4th change बताओ मेरे को.
Comma changed into that.
Very good. Comma changes into a connective. That is that. Great. Thank you so much, Aishwarya. I'm sorry, Anshika. All right. And then there is one last change. Does anyone spot it? We go with Deep from Ghatkopar. Deep, एक last change बाकी है बेटा, कुछ दिख रहा है?
So now become then.
Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Thank you so much. Now becomes then. So students, there are 5 changes that take place. सबसे पहला is the punctuation. The inverted commas are removed. Step number 2 is change of tense. So present becomes past and past becomes past perfect. Change 3 is change of pronoun. So you can see I, that has become he. The 4th one is the comma that you see here becomes that, connected that. And the last one is certain words that denote time and distance will be substituted with another word. So now changes to then, today changes to that day, yesterday becomes previous day, tomorrow becomes the next day, come becomes go, here becomes there. So ऐसे कुछ चीजें change होती हैं. Okay. So these are the 5 changes that take place when we change from direct to indirect. Now students, we will not write anything right now. Okay. Right now we'll understand everything and in the end I will give you enough time to write. So अभी कोई भी लिखिए मत. अभी के लिए सब लोग ध्यान दें. इसके बाद लास्ट में हम लोग लिखेंगे. All right. So students, are we clear with the 5 changes that take place? Are we clear with the 5 changes that take place? I know Suzanne. I know Suzanne. Yes, clear with the concept. Great. Now, students, before we start with the topic further, before we go to the further concepts, I will actually share a rap with all of you. This rap will make this topic pretty easy and simple and interesting. So listen to the rap carefully. Are you all listening to me, everyone? Just a yes in the chat. Yes, okay. So the rap says, बाहर का टेंस पास तो विच अंदर चेंज कर. बाहर का टेंस पास तो विच अंदर चेंज कर. प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर और पास्ट को तू पास्ट परफेक्ट में कर. एम इज आर वाज वर में बदल. हैव और हैज को हैड में बदल. मे को माइट, कैन को कुड, will को would and shall को should. And never change the tense of proverbs, habitual actions and universal truth. Okay. अब I'm very sure सुनने में बड़ा मजा आया रहेगा, but you must have found it a little difficult to understand. But do not worry, I will make it very clear for everyone. So students, step number 1 is बाहर का tense past तो हिच अंदर का change कर, which means we change the tense. We change the tense of the verb inside only if the tense of the verb outside जो reporting verb है वो past tense में है. So if this says बाहर का tense past तो which अंदर change कर, which means अगर आपका बाहर का verb said है या told है, that is when, or maybe ordered or commanded or suggested, if your बाहर का verb is in the past tense, only then you change the tense of the verbs inside. Let us see an example. Raise your hands, guys, if you want to try and solve this example. Of course, I know you know the answer for this question, but I want to make you people understand how to think, how to approach. So I have Daniel from Takshila. Hi, Daniel. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
How are you, Daniel?
I'm
Doing great.
How are you?
Okay, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, tell me what is the bahar ka verb? What is the reporting verb in this sentence?
So said.
Said. Can you tell me what tense does it have? What is the tense of this subject? Past tense. So the rap says bahar ka tense past, to which andar change kar, right? So will we change the tense of the verb inside now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we do the same. So the answer is Nitin said that he was happy then. Thank you so much, Daniel, for your answer. Please mute yourself.
You're welcome, sir.
So students, I hope you understood how do we approach this, okay? So the first step for direct and indirect speech is to first look at the verb outside the inverted commas. And अगर वो past tense में है, तो एक green signal मिलता है कि आप अंदर का verb change कर सकते हैं. So, am I also trying to say that if the verb outside is in the present or the future tense, we will not change the tense of the verb inside? Let us see this example. Okay, so बाहर का टेंस पास तो which अंदर चेंज कर, which means अगर बाहर का टेंस पास नहीं है तो अंदर का टेंस चेंज मत कर. Raise your hands if you want to try this one. Okay, I have Arman from DN Nagar. Hi, Arman.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Arman. How are you doing?
Nice, sir. How are you, sir?
I am good, Arman. So, Arman, tell me, I have put this sentence here. I hope you can see this sentence.
Yes, sir.
It's just come on the screen. So, tell me, what is the bahar ka verb?
Says
Okay, can you tell me the tense of this bahar ka verb says?
present tense.
Okay, so what does the first line of the rap say? It says bahar ka tense pass to which?
Under ka tense past.
Andar ka tense change kar. Barabar. So, is this verb says in the past tense?
No, sir.
So, will you change the tense of the verb inside?
No, sir.
No. So जो यहाँ पर am है present tense है, अंदर का tense भी present tense ही रहेगा. So this is
Yes.
how your answer will look like, Arman. It will look like Nitin says that he is happy. Of course, now you might wonder, Arman, sir, यहाँ am है या is है? Can you tell me, Arman, why have I put is over here?
Because he is there.
हाँ. So are you trying to say, Arman, that it depends on the subject?
Yes, sir.
So is present tense में है क्या past में क्या future में है?
Is in the present tense.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much, Arman. Wonderful answer. See, students, this is how I want you guys to answer. I did not simply just ask Arman the question. I asked him a lot of questions connected to what we were doing, and he had an answer to everything. The reason is he's thinking, he's applying his logics. Okay? So I want you to do the same. Thank you so much, Arman. Please mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Great. All right. So students, as you can see, अगर बाहर का verb यहाँ present tense में है, तो अंदर का tense change नहीं होगा, वो वही रहेगा. Okay. Raise your hands if you want to try this one, everyone. चलो जल्दी से. Raise your hands if you want to try this one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Someone from Chembur. Okay, I have Vikroli say Lakshya Rathod. Hi, Lakshya. लक्ष्य बेटा आपको अनम्यूट किया है मैंने.
Hi, sir.
Hi, लक्ष्य. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, लक्ष्य बेटा मुझे बताओ सबसे पहला चीज हम सेंटेंस में क्या देखेंगे?
Reported speech. Reported verb.
रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. बाहर का वर्ब बोल सकते हैं बेटा उसको?
हाँ, sir.
Okay, reporting verb. So what is the reporting verb in this sentence बेटा?
Say.
Can I say it's will say? Will say बोलूं मैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब will say का tense क्या है बेटा?
Future.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. और अपना जो रैप का फर्स्ट लाइन है क्या बोलता है? बाहर का टेंस पास तो हिच
अंदर का tense change कर.
बराबर है, बराबर है, बराबर है, बराबर है. So now because बाहर का verb is in the future tense, will you change the tense of the verb inside?
No.
No, right? So this is how your answer will look, Lakshya. It will look like Nitin will say that he is happy. Once again, Lakshya, मैंने यहाँ पे am का is क्यों कर दिया बेटा?
Because he is in happy. He is happy.
He is happy, right? अगर वो I होता तो am होता, but we change the pronoun also. इसके लिए मैंने is रखा. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, Lakshya. That was wonderful answering.
Welcome, sir.
Please mute yourself. Right. So guys, I hope this is very clear. The first one is very clear. बाहर का टेंस पास तो ही अंदर चेंज कर. Now, बीच में और बहुत सारी लाइंस है रैप की, but I'll take you to the last line of the rap. This last line tells us, and never change the tense of proverbs, habitual actions, and universal truth. यानी कि भले ही बाहर का वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में हो, बट अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो होती है, अगर वो एक हैबिचुअल एक्शन है, अगर वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, या वो अगर कोई प्रोवर्ब है, तो अंदर का टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा, भले ही बाहर का टेंस पास्ट में क्यों ना हो. So let us see some examples. Nitin said children like to play. Who would like to answer this question? Raise your hands. Let me see a lot of hands up. Come on yaar, ऐसा मत करो. Okay, I have Prithika from JB Nagar. Hi Prithika.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening Prithika. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay Prithika. Prithika, now tell me the sentence that you see here. Nitin said children like to play. Now tell me what is the first step. पहले हम चीज क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं बेटा?
Sir, that the reporting verb is said.
हाँ
Which is
बराबर.
past tense.
सो नाउ आइडियली बेटा, आइडियली अभी अगर बाहर का टेंस पास्ट है तो अंदर का टेंस चेंज होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
होना चाहिए.
बट यहाँ पर हम टेंस चेंज करेंगे अंदर का?
नहीं, sir. Because
क्यों
it's a
नहीं करेंगे?
habitual action.
इट्स अ हैबिचुअल एक्शन. चिल्ड्रन लाइक टू प्ले, इसका मतलब है बेटा कि अभी डू यू लाइक टू प्ले प्रीतिका?
Yes, sir.
ओके, यू लाइक टू प्ले. डिड योर पेरेंट्स लाइक टू प्ले व्हेन दे वर चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, डिड योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स लाइक टू प्ले व्हेन दे वर चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next generation that comes after you, do you think even they will love to play?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये जो चीज है कभी चेंज नहीं होने वाली, ये हैबिट है, बराबर. So we'll not change the tense of the verb inside. So now Prithika, tell me what will your indirect speech for this be?
Nitin says that children
Said
like,
that.
Nitin said that children like to play.
Great. So that is your answer. Thank you so much, Prithika. I hope you understood this.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Okay, who wants to try the next one, guys? Raise your hands if you want to try the next one. Okay, so I have Ria from Saidham. Hi, Ria.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ria. How are you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I am good. Okay. So, Ria, this is our sentence. Nitin said honesty is the best policy. What is the first thing that you always look into a sentence for indirect speech?
Reporting of
Reporting verb. What is a reporting verb?
said
Tense क्या है बेटा उसका?
past tense.
So, will you change the tense of the verb inside? Actually, usually change करेंगे हम.
Usually will change, but this is a proverb.
Great. So we
can't
won't change, right? Okay. So what will your answer be?
Nitin said that honesty is the best policy.
That's a lovely answer, Ria. You were very quick. Ria, एक और आंसर करोगे बेटा?
Yeah, sir.
All right. Nitin said sun is round in shape. So what is the first thing you will observe? First thing you will look
Reporting
for?
of
Verb. Okay. That is said. Tense क्या है बेटा उसका?
past tense.
Usually will we change the tense to from present to past?
Yeah.
But here will we change it? It's a
No.
universal truth. Okay. Can you give me one more example of a universal truth?
Like planets revolve around the sun.
Perfect. Can you give me one more?
Uh,
सिंपल वाला दे दो बेटा कोई भी. सन कहाँ से राइज करता है?
sun rises in the east and sets in the
हाँ,
west.
right. So these are all universal truths. So students, universal truth मतलब वो चीज जो यूनिवर्स में कोई बदल नहीं सकता है. सन पहले भी ईस्ट से उगता था, सन आज भी ईस्ट से ही उगता है और आगे भी वही करेगा, तो वो चेंज नहीं होने वाला. So what will your answer be over here, Ria?
Nitin said that sun is round in shape.
That's lovely, Ria. I love your fluency of answering. That's how everyone has to answer. Thank you so much, Ria. Please mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I hope students, you all observed the way, the fluency with which she was answering. She was so confident. She was very sure about what she was saying. And that confidence is possible only because she was really focused on what we were doing right now, and she focused and listened to me carefully about certain rules that I just mentioned. I hope you've done the same. All right, students. So now we are done with 2 lines of the rap. The first one says, "Bahar ka dance pass to which andar change kar." You can also repeat it right at your end. ठीक है, बाहर का टेंस पास तो which अंदर चेंज कर. फिर हमने ये भी किया, and never change the tense of proverbs, habitual actions, and universal truth. Now let us go to the other line. The other line says, how will the tense change? So बाहर का टेंस पास तो which अंदर चेंज कर. Remember students, present को तू, आंसर करो मुझे चैट में, प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर. यस, प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर. ग्रेट. So we will do that now. Raise your hands if you want to try and answer this, but एक आंसर देख लेते हैं. So Neha said I eat sweets. So the 5 changes are inverted commas removed. Comma becomes that. I becomes she because Neha is a girl, and eat becomes ate because present to past. Right? ये simple है. अब दूसरा देखते हैं. Raise your hands if you want to answer this one. So I have Purnima from Ghatkopar. Hi Purnima.
Yes, sir.
Hi Purnima. Tell me, beta, what is the first thing that you look for in the sentence?
Neha, sir, present one.
ना बेटा, ये जो सेंटेंस है मैंने अभी सिखाया ना बेटा, कभी भी कोई भी सेंटेंस अगर हम करते हैं डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट, तो पहली चीज क्या देखते हैं हम लोग, क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? बाहर का वर्ब.
Yes, sir.
ओके, बाहर का वर्ब क्या है?
Said.
टेंस क्या है बेटा इसका?
Past tense.
सो बाहर का टेंस पास तो which
Present.
अंदर
tense
चेंज कर.
Yeah. अंदर
प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर.
Past.
ग्रेट. तो अभी बेटा ये जो am है इसका पास्ट टेंस क्या हो जाएगा?
Past tense am.
If I say I am happy, तो पास्ट टेंस क्या हो जाएगा?
I was happy.
was, तो am का was कर दूंगा मैं. अच्छा, we
Yes.
also to change the pronoun. I के बदले क्या डालेंगे नेहा के लिए? What pronoun can we use?
She.
So what will your answer be बेटा?
She was eating sweets.
पूरा बोलो ना. नेहा said that.
Neha said that she was eating sweets.
Okay, did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer one more please? I want you to be more confident.
Okay, sir.
Okay, चलो. अभी यहाँ पर नेहा said I have eaten sweets. Tell me what is the first thing that you look for in a sentence?
बाहर का verb.
Very good. क्या है बेटा बाहर का verb?
Said.
Tense क्या है उसका?
Past tense.
तो बाहर का टेंस पास तो which अंदर का चेंज करेंगे? करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे चेंज अंदर का? अब
नहीं सर.
क्यों नहीं करेंगे बेटा? ये है ना पास्ट टेंस में है ना.
हाँ सर.
तो टेंस चेंज करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे अंदर का?
करेंगे.
ओके, कैसे? प्रेजेंट को क्या करेंगे?
पास्ट.
तो आई हैव का पास्ट टेंस क्या हो जाएगा बेटा?
आई हैड.
वेरी गुड. और ये आई को चेंज करके क्या करेंगे हम? नेहा लड़की है ना?
यस. शी.
वेरी गुड. और ये कॉमा के बदले क्या आएगा? देखो यहाँ पर कॉमा के बदले क्या आएगा?
दैट.
तो आंसर क्या बनेगा बेटा?
नेहा said that she had eaten sweets.
वेरी गुड. गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब. अभी बेटा समझ में आया थोड़ा?
यस सर.
ओके, ग्रेट. थैंक यू.
वेलकम सर.
ऑल राइट, चलो. अदर्स, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस कौन आंसर करेगा? रेज योर हैंड्स, कम ऑन. यार इट्स ऑलवेज डीएन नगर, मुलुंड देवीदयाल, साईधाम. ओके, वैभव माने. बेटा वैभव तू तो बेटा बाहर घूम रहा था. देखो तू वैभव विल आंसर इन द चैट. Mahi Goyal from DN Nagar will answer this one. Hi,
Hello,
Mahi.
sir.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, Mahi. बेटा देखो अभी यहाँ पर ये सेंटेंस है. You know the questions I'll ask? right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. सबसे पहले, what is the first thing you will look for?
Reporting verb. The
What is it?
outside. Said.
Tense.
Past tense, so we will change the sentence into past.
Very good. Okay, so have been eating का past tense क्या हो जाएगा बेटा?
I had been eating sweets, so it will be Neha said that she had been eating sweets.
Very good. That was superb and fluent. Good
Thank
job,
you,
Mahi.
sir.
Thank you. All right, everyone. अब next sentence. Past में है already, तो past perfect होगा. For example, Neha said I ate sweets. Now here students, it's already in the past tense. So अपना rap क्या बोलता है? बाहर का tense past तो it's अंदर change कर. Present को तू past में कर और past को तू past perfect में कर. So ate का past perfect बनता है had eaten. I बन जाता है she, comma becomes that. So your answer is Neha said that she had eaten sweets. So students, are we clear with the change of tense part over here? Are we clear with the change of tense part? Pakka? All right. Now we go to change of auxiliary. अगर auxiliary verb present है तो क्या करने का? तो बहुत सिंपल है. बाहर का टेंस पास्ट तो इट्स अंदर चेंज कर, प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर और पास्ट को तू पास्ट परफेक्ट में कर. एम इज आर वॉज वर में बदल. वो हमने इधर कर लिया वैसे, ठीक है. देखो, एम इज आर वॉज वर में बदल, हैव और हैज को हैड में बदल. ओके, सो वी आर डन विद सो मेनी लाइंस नाउ. बाहर का टेंस पास्ट तो इट्स अंदर चेंज कर, प्रेजेंट को तू पास्ट में कर और पास्ट को तू पास्ट परफेक्ट में कर. एम इज आर वॉज वर में बदल, हैव और हैज को हैड में बदल. नाउ वी गो टू मे को माइट, कैन को कुड, विल को वुड एंड शाल को शुड. सो द मोमेंट यू सी मे तो उसको माइट कर देना है, यू सी कैन उसको कुड कर देना है, यू सी विल तो उसको वुड कर देना है, एंड यू सी शाल तो उसको शुड कर देना है. सो यहाँ पर द सेंटेंस इज नेहा सेड आई कैन ड्राइव. So here the answer would be Neha said that she could drive. The next one says Neha said I will help her. So Neha said that she would help her. Neha said the paper shall be easy. Neha said that the paper should be easy. And Neha said I may come to the party. So Neha said that she might go to the party. Up come becomes go. Do you remember, students? वो जो fifth change था? Do you remember, students? Fifth change. What was the fifth change? Do you remember the fifth change? Tell me in the chat. Chat में बताओ क्या था fifth change? Yes, change in words. Change in words. Very good. So इसके लिए मैंने come को go कर दिया. So students, are we clear with the modal auxiliaries part over here? ये वाला part clear है क्या पूरा बच्चा लोग? All right. Now, students, we will solve some sentences. Okay. So you will raise your hands if you wish to solve an answer. But याद रखना, मुझे खाली आंसर नहीं चाहिए. मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस करूंगा, सारे लॉजिक्स पूछूंगा, उसके बाद भी मुझे आंसर चाहिए. Okay. So I have Harshit from Ghatkopar. Hi Harshit.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Good
Harshit
evening,
बेटा.
sir.
Good evening बेटा. Good evening. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. Harshit, tell me what is the first thing that we are supposed to do here?
Sir, we have to say the reporting word.
Okay, what is the reporting verb?
Said.
Tense क्या है उसका?
Past tense.
तो बाहर का टेंस पास तो हिच
Change कर into present.
अंदर चेंज कर, बराबर. अच्छा, अभी अंदर का
Yes.
वर्ब जो है वो क्या बेटा? अंदर का वर्ब
I am.
am, राइट? तो ये प्रेजेंट को पास
Yes.
करना है तो am क्या बन जाएगा? बेटा I am
Was.
पास्ट टेंस क्या? was हो जाएगा. अच्छा, फिर I को क्या
Was.
करोगे? सुप्रिया लड़की है तो I के लिए क्या करोगे आप?
She. She.
कॉमा के लिए क्या करोगे? कॉमा के लिए
Comma के and.
that बेटा that.
Okay. हाँ.
तो क्या
Yes
आंसर
sir.
आएगा?
Yes sir. That.
क्या आंसर आएगा बेटा फिर पूरा?
Supriya said that she was writing a book on dieting.
Supriya said that she was writing a book on dieting. That's your answer. Thank you so much. Correct answer, Arshit. Well answered.
Welcome sir. Thank you sir.
Okay. अब हम जाएंगे देविद्याल पे रिया के साथ. Hi Riya.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you. Okay, Riya. So here's a question. Kevin said to Ari and I have been trying to dance since years. सबसे पहली चीज क्या देखेंगे बेटा हम?
Reporting verb that is said. That's in past tense.
Very good. अब बेटा यहाँ पर एक चीज याद रखना. This is for everyone, okay? The moment you see said to, said है तो ठीक है, said आएगा. But said to आया ना, तो हम लिखते हैं told. Okay, Riya?
Yes, sir.
We don't write told to, we write told. So Kevin told Aryan आएगा. Okay? Now, present को तू past में कर, have और has को किस में बदलेंगे?
Had.
तो ये have been trying क्या हो जाएगा?
Had been trying.
What will I become?
He had been trying.
हाँ, and what will this comma become?
That.
So what will your answer be, Riya?
Kevin told Aryan that he had been trying to dance since years.
And that is the correct answer. Yeah, wonderfully answered. Very fluent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right. There are so many students who are answering from Vikroli as well. Okay. Samina Dalvi has given me the correct answer. Kharkopur, Soham ने भी correct answer दिया है. Riddhi from Devidyal. Wow. Arya Fadnavis also. Great. All right, everyone, let's go on to the next one. Samir said, I spoke to John yesterday. Kaun karega answer? We'll go to Takshila. Arya.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Arya. Arya, so now tell me, what is the first thing you look for?
Reporting verb.
क्या है वो?
Said.
अच्छा, अंदर का टेंस क्या है बेटा? अंदर का टेंस क्या है?
Spoke.
स्पोक है ना? तो क्या टेंस है स्पोक का?
Past tense.
तो पास्ट को हम किस में चेंज करेंगे?
Past को present.
नहीं बेटा, प्रेजेंट को पास्ट में, तो पास्ट को किस में करेंगे?
Past perfect.
हाँ, पास्ट परफेक्ट में. तो स्पोक का पास्ट परफेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा?
Past perfect.
हाँ, had
Spoke to John yesterday.
had spoken. अच्छा बेटा, अभी yesterday को भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ये yesterday वाला वर्ड भी चेंज होएगा, बराबर? तो yesterday बन जाएगा the previous day और I बन जाएगा he. तो आंसर क्या आएगा बेटा? पूरा आंसर?
Samir said that he had spoken to John the previous day.
Very good, very good. Okay, great. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Now the next one. यार ये तो सिंपल वाला है यार. जब सहज from Saidham. जब सहज. जब सहज, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Hi, जब सहज. जब सहज ये तो बेटा बड़ा सिंपल वाला है. मुझे बता दो क्या आंसर आएगा इसका. I think Jab Sahej, you are facing difficulties with the internet. Okay, so I'll have to mute Jab Sahej. Okay, अब और कौन है बाबा? Aditi Desai from Vikroli. Hi Aditi. Yeah. Aditi, tell me the answer for this one.
Teacher said a stitch in time saves 9.
बेटा that नहीं लगाया आपने.
Teacher said that a stitch in time saves 9.
बेटा why didn't you change the tense inside? बाहर तो past tense है.
No,
क्योंकि
sir.
बेटा देखो ना ये past tense है तो अंदर का tense change होना चाहिए ना.
No, sir. It is a proverb.
हाँ, गुड वन अदिति. मेरे जाल में नहीं फंसी अदिति. ओके, गुड वन. चलो, ग्रेट, थैंक यू. एंड द लास्ट वन. देखते हैं कौन करेगा इसका आंसर. चलो ये बेटा आयान कब से हाथ ऊपर कर रहा है बेचारा बार बार. आयान बाटली वाला
Yes, sir.
from DN नगर. हाय आयान.
Hi, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
आई एम गुड टू. आयान बेटा बताओ अभी इसका क्या करने का.
She said they may have read as you like it. She said that they might have read as you like it.
That's a wonderful answer. आयान.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा fluent है आप. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Thank you. So students, that's your answer. So students, are we clear with direct and indirect speech? समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया क्या? मगज में आया क्या? ना 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 ना. चलो, great. Then everyone, we will stop for the day. See you the next time. Take care. God bless. Bye.